Okay, so we go on. In speaking part 1, your topic is recycling.
Yes,
This topic is a little unusual for some students because they don't know. But you can always answer in a simple way. So, do you recycle?
yes, I do recycle because I think it's very vital for our environment.
This is a very short answer. You need to add at least 4 to 5 compound sentences to answer the question. Do you recycle? Yes, obviously I do. Whenever I buy anything and I see there are some boxes or bags, I try to reuse them, and I also teach my sibling to recycle things. So I think all my family members also recycle. For recycle, you can use the word reuse, use it again, 4-5 good sentences, not very short. Otherwise, examiner will say why, and at the end you will say hi.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go on. Did you recycle when you were a kid?
Actually, I don't recycle.
Past tense. I did
not.
not.
Actually, I did not recycle in my childhood because I did not know much about that.
Very good.
And it is because the recycling was not popular at that time.
At that time, very
and
good.
we don't know how to.
We didn't know.
And we didn't know how to recycle, and that's why
I did not recycle when I was small or when I was little. Well done. You understand now. Okay? Talk like this and try to connect your ideas together.
Okay.
Will you recycle in the future?
Yes, as I come to know the benefits of the recycling.
As I have come to know.
As I have come to know about the benefits of the recycling, so definitely I will recycle in the future, and I am planning to do different things to recycle, like my old phone and different things.
Okay, this is good. So instead of different things, you should mention those things. Give some example. Never talk about abstract ideas. Just talk about specific things.
Okay.
Let's go on. What kind of things do you recycle?
Yes, there are different things in our surroundings which we can recycle.
No, my question is what kind of things do you recycle? Don't answer with we. Okay. When the question is do you, answer with I, personal. So, what kind of things do you recycle?
I will recycle.
Not future, present. I usually recycle
different things in my surroundings, like
listen, bottles, glass bottles, plastic bags. Come on, you don't need to think that much.
Okay.
Right? So, for example, what kind of things do you recycle? First of all, I always recycle glass bottles. Especially whenever I drink any cold drink, Coke or Pepsi, I use glass bottles which can be recycled. Secondly, I also recycle the plastic bags. Whenever I go for shopping, I take my bags from home and I try to use those bags at least 8 to 10 times before I throw them, and even those bags are made of recyclable material. Huh? Impressive? Yeah. पता नहीं कहाँ से बजाते हैं सब. So anyways, this is how you need to answer. Examiner को ये झटका दें, झटके से 8.5 is yours. Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. Now you understand that. Okay? Thank you.